Hello dear student. So today's question is, which of the following is correct about Podifera? So let us see first what is a Podifera. Podifera is nothing but it is an animal. Okay. So Podifera is actually the group of animal kingdom, and you can say scientifically it is a phylum in which those organisms are placed which have cellular level of aggregation, cellular level of body organization. It means that the body is just made up of group of cells. Okay, so what are the group of cells? Here it is present. We will see with the help of a diagram that I have shown here. The body is just made up of outer layer of cells that I have drawn with white color. This is called as pinacocyte cell. Okay, so this is a pinacocyte cell. This is the outermost layer, and inner side to it there is choanocyte cell that have flagella on it, and with the help of flagella they try to take the food from the water that will come inside with the help of pore. Okay, so what are the pores? Pores are actually made by the specific cells that I have drawn with the blue color structure. So this is actually a cell that is called as porocyte cell, and with the help of this cell water from the surrounding will come inside. Now you might have asked a question, why water will come inside? Because most of the organism of this phylum lives in water, means they are aquatic. If they are aquatic, they can be either marine or freshwatered. Okay, so most of them are actually marine, but some of them are freshwater too. For example, you can see spongilla. Okay, so let us see, if water has to come, there will be some food inside the water that will also come from the porocyte cell. How the water will come? Water will come because the flagella upbeats in a specific synchronized manner, so that from the porocyte cell water will come inside the body cavity, that is called spongocoel. Okay, the water movement I have drawn with the yellow color diagram. Okay, so water comes here, and the collar cells or the flagellated cell that is also known as choanocyte cell will trap the food. Choanocyte cell is also called as collar cell. It will trap the food. Okay, and in this way they will take the nutrition. But what will happen to the water that came inside the body? From the body the water will move out through the uppermost part of the body cavity, that is called as the osculum. So osculum is the largest pore that is present on the uppermost side of the body cavity. Okay, in this way they will survive. Here we have understood the characteristic of the Podifera, but let us see about some more specific characteristic, that is they are either solitary. Solitary means they remain generally alone or lonely. You can say solely present inside the water. Okay, so for example you can see Euplectella. Okay, but some of the organism of this group are also colonial in nature. What do you mean by colonial? Means they will be present in groups. Okay, so if they are present in groups, they are called as colonial. For example, you can say Leucosolinia. These are present in colony. Now let us see another more characteristic is that their body is generally asymmetric. So let me draw a body over here like this. So if you see the body is generally asymmetric in nature, means you will not be able to define the symmetry of the body, then you are going to call it asymmetric. Okay, means you are not able to cut the body into equal half from the any plane or any from the axis of the body. But some examples are there that have radial symmetry. Okay, so radial symmetry is also present in some cases. For example, you can see Psychon. So these are the general characteristic that I have mentioned. Now let us see the questions again. So you have to find the correct out of the four given option. It is solitary or colonial organism. Yes, of course they are solitary as well as colonial. True. Then majority live in sea and some live in fresh water. Of course it is also true, because we have seen freshwater organism is there, spongilla, and most of them are living in marine condition. Yes, true. Most of them are asymmetric. Yes, they are asymmetric, we have seen that, but some of the example for radial symmetry is also present, Psychon. So most of them are asymmetric, but some of them are also radial symmetric. So out of these, all the above options are